Hey everyone, so I just wanted to do a little video on how to change your cabin air filter. This is for the JK Unlimited Sahara. This is the 2018. I just wanted to make this video because it's very important to change out your cabin air filters at least once a year. You know, the air in the car circulates and the filter collects all of the junk that's in it, so it's important to switch it out. Ladies, I'm doing this video for you because I want you to feel confident enough to be able to do this on your own without the help of a man or a mechanic that rip you off typically. I'll tell you. So I purchased the cabin filter from I forgot the name of the place. Let's see the receipt. From Arch Auto Parts, and it costed $22.81. If you were to go to a mechanic to purchase this, they would triple this plus charge you for labor. So keep that in mind, and you just have to show them your VIN number and they'll give you the exact one that you need. Now this model car has two separate filters. Okay, see, that's how it looks. So I'm just gonna prepare it and I'm gonna show you how simple this is. All right, let's get started. So the cabin air filter is in the glove box. It's behind the glove box. So what you're gonna do is you're going to remove it. You're gonna just go like that and it comes right out. Okay, very, very simple, which is one of the reasons why I love this car. It's like a Lego. You can just take it out, put it in, very simple. Okay, next thing, let me just zoom in here so you can see, because the sun is in the way and it's very hard for you to see. So this is where the filter is. It's in here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to, open this up and put in the new filter. So keep watching. Sorry about the sun. All right, let me see. I don't think you guys can see so well, but all right, let's do it anyway. So it's very simple. It has these little tabs that you could just literally pull. You just pull it open. There you go. All right. Next, once you got that open, you're gonna turn the car on. Let me turn that on. All right. After you turn it on, you're going to press this. You're gonna turn it on. You're gonna press. All right, then you lift that white piece up like I just did. It's a little bit rough, so you have to really put some muscle into it. All right. All right, here's what we got, you guys. Look at that. Look how filthy. This is a 3-year-old filter. Okay, look at that. This is what you're breathing in. Gotta throw this out. It's going all over the place. All right, next we're gonna put this in. And it tells you here, airflow down, so you're gonna face it down. Okay? And then make sure that they're laying flat. Okay. All right, let's zoom in for you. All right, you guys, so you're gonna go all the way deep in there, and you're going to see right in here how they're laying flat and they're in all of the right crevices. They're just sitting perfectly. Okay, next you're gonna pull this back down just like that, and you're gonna seal this back up. That's it, just like that. Ready to go. And your cabin air filter is now nice and fresh for another whole year. Please don't go 3 years like I did. I mean, I only had my car for 2 years, but I guess I'm assuming that the first year that the previous owner had it, they probably didn't change it either. Probably just came with the car. So yeah, pretty simple stuff. Ladies, don't feel discouraged just because you have a truck. You can do this. So if you guys have any questions, you're more than welcome to comment or you know, ask me privately in a message, and I would love to speak to you about it. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.